away they go. Fierce and fiery, fast to begin. Moving up is Sweet Lorky, Brave Lorky, Terrible Marvin. On the father outside is Douglas Paramore. Down on the inside, 6 Butcherer, Mr. Classmate, and Erica's Chump. Fierce and fiery, Violent can have Terrible Marvin is now running in second. Sweet Lorky is racing in third by Drell, and running forward by Sound 4 lengths is entry number 6, Brave Lorky. Douglas Paramore, a long shot from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Fierce and fiery, Violent can have Terrible Marvin. Sweet Lorky, Brave Lorky, Douglas Paramore is racing on the outside, taking the third spot as they race the final corner. Fierce and fiery is still hanging to that half-length lead. Terrible Marvin remains in second. Douglas Paramore down on the inside. Sweet Lorky, Brave Lorky, Erica's Chump, Mr. Classmate, and Butcherer. And nearing the finish line, Edster, Fierce and fiery, and finally the favorite, Fierce and fiery, Terrible Marvin, Brave Lorky, Sweet Lorky, and Douglas Paramore for your Fantafecta.
Okay, crossing the wire first.